In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automatically duplicate tasks in Asana 2025 step by step. If you've ever found yourself recreating the same checklist over and over, this method will save you time. We'll use Asana's built-in recurring task feature, which automatically creates the next copy of a task on a schedule you choose. Start by opening the task you want to repeat. Pick something that's largely identical each cycle, like a weekly report, a monthly billing review, or a quarterly audit. Everything already in this task, such as the assignee, project, description, custom fields, and subtasks, will carry into future copies, so set it up exactly the way you want it now. Next, look for the option to make it repeat. In most layouts, you'll find a set to repeat control inside or right next to the due date field. If you don't see it at first, open the due date picker and check for repeat or repeat this task. Some views tuck it behind more options. Click that control to open the repeating settings. Choose the frequency that matches your workflow. You can make the task recur daily, weekly, monthly, or yearly. There's also an option to repeat after completion, which moves the next due date forward from the moment you mark the current instance complete. Use scheduled dates when you need fixed calendar deadlines, and use after completion when the timing depends on when the work actually gets done. Fine-tune the pattern. For weekly tasks, select the specific days, like every Monday and Thursday. For monthly schedules, decide whether it repeats on a calendar date, such as the 15th, or a position like the first Monday of the month. Keep in mind how time zones and end-of-month dates behave. If a month doesn't have the chosen date, Asana typically schedules it to the closest valid day. When everything looks right, save your changes. You'll see the task now shows a repeating indicator. From here on, complete the task as you normally would. If you chose fixed dates, the next copy appears on the upcoming scheduled date. If you chose after completion, the new copy is created when you check this one off, ensuring no gaps between cycles. A few quick tips to keep things tidy. Give the task a clear title that doesn't need manual updating each cycle, or use the description to know any variable details. Avoid deleting recurring instances, complete them so the next one generates properly. And if you ever want to stop the automation, return to the same repeat control and set it to none. That's it. Automatic task duplication in Asana without any extra tools.